Yeah, hello guys. How you guys doing? It's a wonderful episode again, a wonderful week episode again. I should I say I'm excited? Yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited about what's about to happen to some people's trading career, which to today's topic. I'm excited about what some people is about to learn, in which we change the whole game for them, and that's what I'm promising you. If God help me, I'm not going to hide any knowledge that I think you need to know from you. I'm here to actually enlighten you more about the things you know in the forex market, but you don't count worthy of your attention. That's what I'm about to expose you to. So last time we spoke about market trend. We did the redefinition, its formation, and we talked about its application. So today it's another episode. So let's go to what we have for today. So today we will be dealing with market trend. That's the general topic we have for today. Market trend, and we'll be talking about trend line. We'll be talking about counter trend, and we'll be talking about its application. So today you want to listen very well. Yeah. Today you want to listen very well, because what I'm about to explain to you is a strategy in forex market. It's not just a concept in forex market, but this is actually a strategy. There are some things, when we talk about confluences in the forex market, we're not just talking about bringing together two or three things to make us make our decision. No, what we're actually talking about is, we are talking about, for example, now there are some school of trading that deals with Fibonacci. There's some school of trading that deals with psychological level. There's some school of trading that deals with trend line. There's some school of trading that deals with breakouts. All of this. So what you as a retail trader does is, you bring two or more confluences together, two or more training school ideas together to inform your decision. So if this school is Fibonacci school, if Fibonacci school is buying, if the school of trading of trend line is buying, if the school of psychological level is buying, it means I should join them too, something like that. So, but don't forget that with all the kind, no matter the kind of strategy you have, if you turn the market trend to your enemy, you always lose. That's the simple truth. With all the strategy you have, if you turn the market trend to your enemy, you always lose. That is why there's a saying that the market trend is your friend. You want to follow the market trend so that you can end well. Yeah, end and profit. So today we want to talk about market trend. So yeah, the last class, which is episode 2, if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you subscribe. Yeah, very, 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 very important. The last class we did, which was episode 2, I explained trend, its formation. I explained market trend. I explained its formation for us. So I'm going to be starting from there, and let's see how it goes. So let's go ahead to chart. Let's go ahead to chart. So let me clean my chart up so that we can do some. Okay, amazing. So now, last time when I was talking about trend, I said we have 3 types of market trend. We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we have the consolidation mode. The consolidation mode can also be called chubby or ranging market. You get that? But I'm a typical trend follower. And I don't consider, whenever I see whenever I see ranging markets, I run away. So people be like, why will you run away? Yeah, for those that are Christian here, we understand what I'm saying. There are some sins that you don't pray God to deliver you from. There are some sins that you yourself that will run away from it. Exactly. So that's just a joke, by the way. So so that's it. There are some things you see in the forex market, you don't need to attempt to buy or reduce your risk. Just run away. Just leave the market for that day. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now, last time I told you that this is, whenever you see anything like this, market is going up, right? Whenever you see anything this way, trust me, this is there's book explanation, okay? The market is going down, right? So now, How do you plot your trend line, which is our today's topic? How do you plot your trend line? This is how you plot your trend line. What you want to look for first is if you are plotting an uptrend, you'll be plotting it. You'll be plotting your trend line at the trough. If you are plotting your downtrend, you'll be plotting it at the peak. So now, guys, I really want you to listen very well to what I'm about to explain. What I'm about to explain might sound controversial, but this is the simple truth. Okay. So now, whenever you have a market like this, whenever you have this ranging market, whenever you have a market like this, we used to have this concept here, and I believe we all know this. We used to have this concept here. This concept is called resistance, and this one is called support, right? So what is this resistance doing? This resistance is pushing, is not allowing this market to push further than this price area, right? So it means when price gets to this point, price tends to what? To turn down, right? Price tends to turn down, right? Price tends to turn down from that point. And once price comes back to this point, price tends to bounce up. Price tends to bounce up, right? Price tends to bounce up, which simply means this point here is a resistance, and this point here is a support. What does support means? Support simply means whenever price comes to bounce off a support line, a support zone, it means we are expecting the market to what? To push up. Whenever price comes to bounce a resistance zone, we are expecting price to push down, right? Please follow. Now, when it comes to you seeing a market act this way, markets gave you stuff like this, did this, market did this. Now look at the first one I have here. What I have here seems like a W, right? What you are expected to do is to take your trend line from this point here, draw it, and extend it into the future. Do you know what you just did here? Some people used to think that this is just a trend line. What you did here is not just trend line. What you did here is a sideline support for this market trend. Please, are you getting this? It's very simple, just understand. What you did here is you just draw a sideline support for this market. So what are you expecting? You are expecting that whenever price comes down to touch this support again, just like the principle we have here, whenever price comes to, let's just say for example price is here, whenever price comes back to touch this point again, we are expecting a what? A push up. That's the same thing we are expecting here. But this is just sideways, like, you understand? It's like it's going up, So whenever price comes to touch this point again, you are expecting that price should what? Price should push up. Price should push up. Amazing. I believe you understand this. So now, rate swing. How do I draw my trend line? This is how you draw your trend line. Whenever you see a price like this, let me explain again for the sake of those that didn't get it the first time. You see something like this, price did this and push up. You want to draw your trend line this way, just connect these 2 points. These 2 points here for an uptrend, these 2 points here. Just connect it together. And draw and extend it into the future. And expect price to come into it. Then you take action, okay? So that's for uptrend. This is textbook explanation. We still go to charts in which I will explain better. So now, talking about downtrend, we have our downtrend this way. Now, this is a sideways support. I have a lot of things to tell you guys, and I don't know. Yeah, I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys. Do you know that it is possible for a market to be trending and not follow trend line? That is the reason why. Let me explain something here. When we talk about market trend, when we talk about trend line, there are two different concepts. When we talk about market trend and we talk about trend line, there are two different concepts. In terms of market trend is the direction the market is following, while trend line is a tool, not indicating market trend. Yeah, that's the word. Not indicating market trend. So it is possible for a market to be trending and not obey trend line. And I'm going to show you an example. But what you want to do here is let's not rush. Let's take it step by step. So we are here together today. We are here to learn. I believe we are here to learn. Right? So let's take it step by step. So we have this downtrend. How do you draw your trend line? Now remember that for an uptrend, you draw it like a support, like a floor. Price is coming down to this floor, it's bounced up, come down to this floor, bounced up, come down to this floor, bounce up, right? But for downtrend, you draw it like a resistance, something like this. So price is resisting this market to push up. Rather, price is pushing what? Down. If you don't understand this concept, you need to revisit my previous class. That's where I explain market trend. So how do I draw my downtrend? The first thing you want to do is you want to get first high, then market, then second high, then market push down. So what you want to do is you want to draw this here and extend into the future. If you are not getting it now, trust me, just wait. You will get it. You will get it. You must get it. It is compulsory for you to get it. You must get it, okay? So let's see. So this is so you are expecting price. Whenever price comes back to this point here, you are expecting a what? A push down. A push down. Like that. I believe you understand this. So let's go to the chart and let's do some critical explanation to that. So let's go. This is H4, yeah. Let's do H1. Let's do H1. Yeah, I love this. Guys, this is a what? This is a downtrend. Right? This is it. I'm coming. I really want to get the overall view of where this market is coming from. Sorry, okay, let me start from H4. Let me start from H4. Yes. Beautiful. This is daily time frame. This is a downtrend, right? This is a downtrend. Listen. This is a downtrend. Now, you have this point here. Let me mark it out. You have this point here. Guys, listen, if you don't know how to draw trend line, this class is for you. You have this point here. See where I'm marking. I'm not marking these ones here. I'm not marking this one. I'm marking these ones here. We have this point here. Right? So now what you want to do is you want to click your trend line to put it at the first eye in which you marked and drag it to the second eye you marked. Notice what price did. Price broke it through, right? Adjust this to the next one. Price broke it through, right? Yeah, through this point, right? Adjust it to the next one. Then drag it into the future. Can you see? So assuming you don't have this here, so whenever price comes to touch that resistance, this for downtrend, that resistance, look at what happened. Price did what? Price bounced down before it finally broke it. I believe you understand this. Let's take another example again. Let's look for another downtrend. Let's take another example again. Let's take this one again. Look at what you have here. The first thing you need to do whenever you open a chart is identify the market trend. This market is doing what? This market is going down. This market is going down. This market is going down, right? Beautiful. So let's plot our trend line. We have this point here. We have this point here. And we have this point here. Right? So now let's draw our trend line from this point here. Firstly, let's check. Sorry, let me do this before I go into the main picture. You look at this is also a trend here. This is also a trend. What we have here is also a trend. You see, let me start here. Look at this. Let me draw this point here. This is a high. This is a high. This is a high. This is a high. Right? So let's draw it out. Look at this. Look at this. Market broke this point here. This second touch here. Adjust to the next touch. Market broke it through. Adjust it. So that is how I plot my own trend. So see what happened here. See what happened here. So though market did not obey it here. So market did not obey it here. Market did not touch this trend line here. Market did not touch this trend line here. Market touched this trend line because we adjusted it here. We adjusted it here and we add this one. See, whenever price comes to touch it again, there is this snap down before market actually broke it through. Do you see that? So let's look. So we are actually on. We marked out some stuff. So let's see. So look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. We have this point here. You have this point here. So market broke this one here. So let's adjust it to this point. Look at what happened here. Market gave the first touch here. Market failed to give the second touch here. Market gave this second touch here. See the third touch. Market sniped down. Market actually sniped down aggressively. See, this is aggressive, very aggressive. Market sniped down. Okay, so see, can you see this? Can you see this? So before market actually broke it through. So this is for a downtrend. This is for a downtrend. So what is the takeaway here? I want to look for market trend in which is having like two touches. Which is having like two touches, and how you can plot them. This is on daily time frame. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. I just removed indicator instead of drawing. So yeah, let's go to 15-minute time frame. So that those that trade on 1 hour, 15 minutes, how can they find spot their own trend line, their trend? So this is what you do. Number one, see guys, you need to understand trend formation. If you don't understand trend formation, which was the previous video I did, go and see that video again. Okay, so now what we have here is what? Is market creating an uptrend. See, market did this, push down, did this, push down, did this, push down, did this, and market is currently pushing down. Right? Market is currently pushing down. So what we have here, we have this here. This used to be my trend line before. Now the price has broken it through, but it's yet to break this year. It is still possible that we can adjust our trend line like this. It is possible that we will have to adjust. It's not that we will have to adjust our trend line like this in the future. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this will be, so if market gave the pattern I'm looking for here, like W pattern or M or W pattern, and push above this point here, trust me guys, this will be our trend line. So I mark the first point, the second point, so I'll be looking to trade the what? The third point. So it is at the third point, that's where you see me draw my position like this, and I'll be like, okay, so stop loss might be below this point or above, anyhow. So that is it. So simple as ABC. So simple. So this is for a downtrend. So let's go for uptrend. Let's do DXY. DXY. Let's do DXY. Okay. Let's do DXY. Okay. Now let's remove drawings. So let's go. Okay. Let's go to H4 so that we can have the overall market view. Okay. Aha! This is a typical uptrend. A typical uptrend. So now see what will happen here. The first two lines. First two, one. This is, so let's mark it here. This is the way I'm marking it. For that, we mark out the what? The highs. For this one, we are marking out the lows. So let's put it together. Sorry, my trend line. So my price broke it through and continue to the upside. So just adjust to the next one. Then adjust and make it fit. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you find this trend? Let's adjust to this point. Let's adjust to this point. Yeah, beautiful. Can you see this guy? Can you see this guy here? First touch here, failed. Second touch, third touch, then fourth touch before it finally broke it. Then it started trending down. So it started moving down. So now, look at what you have here, guys. Look at what you have here. What you have here. What you have here. This is a high. This is a low. Right? So what will you do? Just connect this point here to this point here, then draw it into the future. You've drawn a trend line. Then draw it into the future. You've drawn a trend line. You've drawn a trend line. You've drawn a trend line. So that is how you draw your market trend line. Yeah. The second thing I'll be talking about today is counter trend. Counter trend. Counter trend. Counter trend. So what is counter trend? Counter trend can be defined as a trend that is moving in opposite direction of a trend, still within the trend line, still within the trend. I believe that may sound complicated. So let me explain again. Counter trend can be defined as a trend, just as the word says, that is countering the major trend, but it's still within the market trend. That's trend. For example, look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. What we have here is an uptrend. What we have here is an uptrend, right? Market is doing what? Market is pushing up. Market is pushing up, right? But look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. This is what they call a counter trend, because this itself is a trend. This itself is a trend. How do you know a market trend? According to the principle I gave to you the last time, I told you that when price keep making higher highs and higher low, the market is on an uptrend, in which price keep breaking its high and not its low. Market will continue to be in an uptrend. When price keep breaking its low and not its high, market will continue to be in a downtrend. So it is possible. Here we see that price is breaking what? Price is breaking highs, right? Price is breaking highs. Price is breaking highs. But still within this trend here, let's analyze what happened. Let's analyze what happened here. Though we are saying that price is breaking higher highs and higher low, but within this trend here, we still have some schematics here. We still have some market schematics here. There is a counter trend. So within this trend, we have this counter trend. Market keep breaking lows and not high. Do you see this? Before it's finally push, before price start to push up again. Can you see? Same thing here. Counter trends. Counter trends. You always find them. Can't see. Same thing here. Counter trend. Counter trend. counter trend, before price finally push up again, right? So this will lead me to explain more, because I believe some people will find it very difficult to understand this counter trend very well. And let me just do a brief explanation on counter trend, because we are here to learn. Yeah, we're not here to joke, we are here to learn. I'm not just here to tell you what I know to entice you to come and pay for mentorship. No, I'm here to teach you things I know, and it's for free though. Yeah, so that's it. So the advantage of people that are in mentorship are having is, number one, when they have their question are easily answered. Number two, there are still some things, yeah, that make race swing that I won't be able to say yet. Yeah, I said some of it, some little out of it, but you won't understand until you see someone do it. Like, okay, this is how it is. So that's mentorship for you. Mentorship is beyond people just telling you stuff and telling you what to do. Mentorship is just seeing the person you are following do it. Yeah, that's the word. You see the person you are following do it, then you replicate it. Yeah, that's how mentorship works. So you see your mentor do it, then you replicate. You see his mistake, he explains to you why this happened and stuff like that. That's the reason why you pay so much for mentorship. You are not paying for the knowledge, you are paying for the experience. Yeah, that's the word. So yes, as I was saying, so that's that concerning that. So let me do one brief explanation, because some people find it difficult to understand counter trend and major trend. This is a major trend. This is what you have here from this point here is a major trend. Let me explain again. This is a major trend, and the move against it is counter trend. If you haven't seen my previous video, go and see it. I spoke about something. I spoke about impulsive move and correctional move. Impulsive move are moves that are going towards the market trend's direction, the trend direction. Why Why correctional move are move going against the market trend. So correctional move are majorly counter trends. So that's the word. Correctional move are majorly counter trends. So now everything now is just as if you went to school and your lecturer load you with a lot of theoretical stuff. So I don't know if you've at a point in time asked yourself, what is the usefulness of this thing you said? This thing you are saying, what is its usefulness? Yeah, so that will now take us to its application, and that is where we'll be spending much time today. I probably don't spend much time, but we'll be spending much time today. Yeah, it's application. Everything I've said so far is theory. Now let's go. So now let me think of a pair that I don't normally trade. Let me look for a pair that I don't normally trade. Okay, let me look for a pair that I normally trade. Okay, let's do US30. Yeah, US30. Let's do US30 for example. So now whenever you open a pair, listen. And everything I'm saying now is pertaining to trend and trend line. Whenever you open a trend, the first thing you want to do is locate the market trend. The first thing you want to do, if you are using trend line as your strategy, the first thing you want to do is locate the market trend. So let's go. Let's do black bull. The first thing you want to do is locate the market trend. Okay. Let's move. Remove drawings. Let's remove drawing. So I'm a swing trader. So let's start from daily time frame. Okay. So now, what am I having here? Okay. I'm having this here. So I'm having a sort of a downtrend here. So I have this here. I have this point here. So let me connect them together. Okay, guys. Yeah, let me call out a trade here. Live. I'm showing you again. I'm telling you now. I said it, you did not listen. I'm telling you now. Yeah. Okay, I'm seeing this. Okay. So now see what happened here. First touch, second touch, extend into the future. Price come back to this point again and short. Simple as that. So this is on H4. So now this is what? This is your impulsive move This is your correctional. This is your impulsive move. In fact, to this point here, impulsive move. Then this is your what? Your correctional towards this trend line, right? So now let's delete this. Let's remove drawing. I really understand that. So let's beautiful. So let's switch to H4. Beautiful. So guys, this is what I'm explaining to you. See, now you see the way I drew my trend line. I'm still going to do more example. That is my trend line. This you see here is my trend line. What is counter trend? This is the impulsive move, right? This is the impulsive move to this point, right? Counter trend. This is the counter trend. This is the counter trend. So let me show you something. Let me show you something now. So just draw your trend line. See if it is fixable. Trend line from this point to this point. What you just did is a counter trend line. Price bounced up, it bounced up, then till it's broke, retest, then start tanking down. As simple as that. See what we have here. See what we have here. According to this price movement here, price did this impossible, then a little bit correction now. See this correction now. Let's draw it. Let's start here. Can you see this? This is a counter trend, and I'm fixing trend line to them for price finally bounce down. What you are seeing here is having its own trend. It might not be visible here, but trust me, once you go on lower time frame, you will see it. This is a trend. Let's go to H1 where we'll be picking our entry from. Do you see this trend? Do you see this trend? So there are two things that will happen in this market. Do you see the way I'm fixing my trend line? This is an overall downtrend though. This is an overall downtrend. But see this uptrend I'm drawing here. This is an overall downtrend. This uptrend in this downtrend is a counter trend. I'm showing you its application now. So now listen. Now look at what we have here. Now look at what we have here. We are having this first touch here. We are having this first touch here. This one here. We are having this second touch here. Now, guys, price is coming to make a third touch here, right? Price is going to make a third touch here. It is possible for price to come to this point and bounce up to touch this trend line, then bounce down. That is my thinking process. So, guys, this is how race swing thinks. I allow price to act, then I react. I allow price to act, then I react. So now, see this. This is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. So once price comes back to touch this point, then I look to short. I'm not just shorting here, I'm waiting for price to break this counter trend, because it now shows that this trend line is no longer valid. Then we look to short. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. What happened here? Counter trend, price come back to touch it, broke it, retest, then we short. Look at what happened here. Price bounced off this point, retest, then price broke it, retest, you see this weak rejection, then we sell. Look at what happened here. Price is giving a trend again. So price is going to break it. That's what my expectation is now. Price is going to break it. Once price break it, then I'll be looking to what? I'll be looking to sell. It's as simple as that. It's just the thinking process. That's all. This is for a downtrend. Let's look for uptrend. This is for a downtrend. Let's look for uptrend. That's let's look for what pair should I choose again? I think it's going on an uptrend now. Let me see. Okay, let's do GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's do let's do Wanda. Just bear with me, guys. I'm coming. A sec. Okay, amazing. Guys, look at what we have here. Now, with what you have here, I love this because this is the beginning of a trend. This is the beginning of a trend. How do I draw my trend line here? This, you have this as a low, you have this as a low. Draw your trend line from this point here, connect it to this point here. You've drawn a trend. This is a market trend. Now, just extend into the future. Just leave it there. Might not look it, but just leave it there. It is too slopey, but just leave it there. But yeah. So that's how you draw it. So look at what we have here. This point here, this point here, and this point here. See, connect it. Can you see this? So what are you expecting? You're expecting that whenever price comes back to touch either of these guys, you'll be looking to what? To long. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Another way you can get this trend line is number one, always remember whenever you see a downtrend this way, remember always connect the peaks. What is peak? Peak is the upper part, the upside. Yeah. Always connect the peak. Where is the peak? This is a peak. This is a peak, right? This is a peak. This is a peak here. 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 Oh yeah, this is a peak. The upper part. This is a peak here. And this is a peak here. Can you guys see it? So always remember to connect the peaks together. So what will I do? Bring my trend line, touch this point, I put it to this point here. Price broke it through. Okay, amazing. So now look at this point here. Yeah, beautiful. So I can use this word. Can you see? And the third touch, price bounced down, price bounced down, price bounced down. So that is it about trend line. So let me just do some little talks before I leave you guys. Let me do some little talks. Number one, I said something earlier. I said it is possible for markets to be trending and not obey trend line. If you really want to know more, I can't. I'm having over 30 minutes already now, so I'll be able to go into details. Yeah, about chat now. So what you have to do is, I'll advise you take up mentorship. Yeah, I'm not preaching mine. Yeah. Just there's enough money in the forex market that I need to start. Yeah, so take up mentorship. Then your mentor should be able to explain more why markets can be trending and not be trend line. And the truth is that's what actually affects most of us when we are starting out in forex market. You notice that you for those that are already trading trend line here, you notice that you are trading second, third touch or fourth touch in this market, and the market comes to hit your trend line, and you're looking to short, and market trade above your trend line and hit your stop loss. After hitting that your stop loss, market starts going your direction, and market continue and start dipping. What happened? Is your understanding of market trend that needs to be sharpening. Yeah, you need to sharpen your understanding of market trend. That is number one. Number two, when you are trading trend line, don't trade trend line as an indicator. Rather, use trend line like a tool. Did I just say that? Yeah. Use trend line like a tool. And what I mean by a tool is when you are using trend line, you don't want to. Okay, let me do something. Look at this point here. You treat trend line like a zone. That's the word. You treat trend line like a what? Like a zone. Some people say, should I connect it to the peak? Should I connect the peaks together? Should I connect the body together? Blah blah blah. Forget those questions. Trash them. Put them inside the dustbin. You take trend line like a zone. So what do I mean by a zone? Look at this, a tool here that I will suggest. So from this point here, I think is it here now? Let me see if it's here. Okay, not here. Should be here. Come here. Okay, not yet, not yet, not yet. It should be here. Yeah, it should be here. Yeah. Look at this rotate triangle. You can click on it, plot it here, draw it to this point, and adjust it. I prefer my trend line this way. Like treat it like a zone, like a zone, like a zone. So you are not saying that I expect price to come and touch that trend line and start going my way. Hey, it will show you shake it will show you pepper. So don't do that. Treat your trend line like a zone. And a series is coming soon. Another episode, not a series, it's another episode. Let me check my notes. Yeah, let me see when I'll be having that. So that's why you want to subscribe. So yes. Oh God, guys, what is coming up next week Wednesday is fire. Guys, I will be treating market structure. I'll be demystifying market structure for you guys. This trend line, everybody knows trend line. If you're a forex line, don't know trend line, then you're not a forex line. Everybody knows trend what's it called? Trend line. That's why I'm not dwelling so much on trend. But market structure, guys, market structure, I call market structure the skeleton of price movement. The skeleton of price movement. If price is moving from point A to point B, what's happening? What happened? Why is it doing this? And I want you to always remember that nothing just happens. Nothing just happens. Everything you see in the forex market, they actually they are acting out a script. You get that? They are acting out a script. The only way we are at disadvantage is that we don't know what is in the script. But for some of us that we've stayed so long on charts, we are able to predict based on our historical data that once we see this happen, this is what will happen. And should I tell you something? Price always repeats itself. So I'll be leaving you guys with that today. So what I want you guys to do is, if you love this class and you enjoy, and you want people to have access to this kind of knowledge in which you're having access to, I would really advise you please subscribe. This is advice now. Let me beg. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Then so that other people can see this video and it can be of help to them. And see you guys next week. Yeah, I remain your forex teacher, your forex coach, your forex guide, Ray Swing.